We out here in Mexico, in Mexico, in Mexico.
It's beeping because it's not locked.
Alright. That was beeping because it wasn't locked. I didn't lock it all the way. So this is where we're gonna definitely be getting some sleep. It's a nice bed area right here. We got a little couch right here. Come on, show them the couch, babe. I'm doing the video. You gotta follow me. Right here, we got a nice view at the pool. Come on. It's like MTV Cribs. Come on.
MTV.
Look, babe, you could be laying right there in the hammock in a little thong, chilling. I could be watching you up here. You feel me? Or I could be down there with you. You think it'd be a nice little jump from there? Just a little couch area. Look, we got a tree in the room, son. A tree. You think I could climb this shit?
Don't.
This kid's on crack.
Probably. If you really tried to.
This is
The kitchen.
Is the tap room area. Oh, that's the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area. We got a nice stove top over here. I'm gonna go ahead and cook my baby some breakfast for her B-Day. Is this right here, this key to get in? We need to put the AC on. It's blazing. It's on now. Come on and follow me. We're gonna go ahead and go to the best part. Right here, we in the bathroom, man. What's your favorite part, babe? I think mine is the shower. So can we go to the shower? It's like we're outside but inside, you feel me? It's like if I was showering outside but I'm inside.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This is crazy. This is viral.
I know. I love the sink. You don't even mention my favorite parts, like the AC and the sink.
The sink I love, baby, I'm sorry. It's more beautiful when you're in it.
It's blazing.
Alright, it's your turn.
Toilet!
It's your turn!
My turn. That's true. This is also like a living area.
Yes, sir.
I know they have rooms that have their own access, obviously, to these pools. And swings. Hammocks. Some fresh water to do some stretches. Closet for I have no idea. To be determined, I guess. Oh, it's the other way. Oh, it's a bathroom. Yeah. I was a little tweaking. And a shower. Hey, handsome. Focus on you a little bit. There's 2 hammocks. Our room is over there. There's a room here and much more. That's better with the lights on. I just want to take a moment and record this because this is how we're actually spending our first night. Ah. Cheers, my baby. I love you. Water everywhere. Can't believe it's this deep. This is dangerous.
Might be one of the deepest waters I've seen. That's a dead ass a flood, big ass flood.
Like the whole road is covered in water, and you can see by the curbs. The curbs are literally, you don't see the yellow, and that's all because it's flooded in water. What we didn't think got that bad clearly affects Mexico because they got trashed. Like, we showed you this pool and it's covered in grass now.
It really is.
Branches are all broken, and this was our beautiful place and it even got destroyed, so I feel pretty bad for the owners. But they're the bomb. They gave us an extra night.
We love you. Subscribe.